Hello, tiny friends. I just wanted to share one of the most adorable and cutest surprise gifts that I received in the mail. This one came from Leslie at Will and Row Arts here on YouTube. She's another miniature creator and definitely one of my favorite channels. If you're not following Will and Row Arts, then you are truly missing out on some of the most fun miniature dioramas and projects. She's such a fun and bubbly spirit, and I just love watching her channel. It's super fun. She definitely makes it very entertaining. I can see that the box got a little damaged in the mail, so I hope whatever is in here is perfectly okay. And she just recently started sculpting 3D printed characters, and she sent me one of those characters. Now, up until this point, I had not seen the video on this character, but she does have a video, and she shows you exactly how she sculpts it in her digital program. It's amazing. And she's gone on to make others that are oh so stinking cute. I love it. First, I'd like to say, Leslie, thank you so much for thinking of me, because it just always warms my heart when another creator, or anybody at that matter, thinks of you and sends you something completely unexpected. This little surprise added so much sugar to my day. So thank you for thinking of me and sharing one of your oh so cute sculpted characters with me. And I also want to say congratulations on your new website, willandrow.com. Leslie has started a whole new website where she has listed her little 3D sculpted characters in kits. So they come with accessories as well, and you can customize them any way you would like. And I wish you all the best on your new journey as you journey down this new road you're on. I'm super excited for you. Leslie also came up with a miniature collaboration called YouTube's Biggest Miniature Collaboration, where a group of miniature creators will get together and collab on an idea. I think the season coming up is going to be the 3rd season, and it's going to be very interesting. I may join. I will keep you posted on that, but it is definitely something that I've had an interest in, but not yet explored. It's going to be a little bit of a challenge for me if I do join, but I will keep you posted. I did participate in the very first one, and it was super fun. Everyone that participated came up with their own ideas and created all of these little accessory pieces. And then we sent them into Leslie, and she made a miniature art studio, which was absolutely amazing. I love how it came out. If you have not seen that collaboration, I will link it. Hopefully I can link the playlist, but I will link it in the description box below, and you guys can follow along and see what all of the creators made, and then you get to see how Leslie put it all together and made a miniature art studio. It was just so much fun. Lately, I haven't had a chance to really watch anybody's videos. I've been so busy with my own, and I'm just so behind on all my favorite channels. It's hard to keep up with your own channel and still be a viewer and watch all of your other favorite channels as well. So I didn't know that this little character even existed. I did see like maybe a picture or a thumbnail, but I never got to see the video. But after I opened this, I asked her if she had a video on it, and I ran right away to go and watch it because I had to see how she created this little character. So I will link that video in the description box below. If you guys have not seen it yet, go watch it. It's so interesting because she shows you exactly how she makes this little guy. Okay, I'm super excited to share how cute this little guy is. Oh my goodness, she sent me a little mouse character, but not just any mouse character, an artist mouse. This little mouse is an artist. I just love it. I love it so much. Oh my gosh, and right now I'm just looking at it and looking at all of the detail that she captured in this little guy. I've already decided that this little guy is going to be a little boy, Oh my gosh, look at his little feet. How cute. She has captured all the details of this little mouse. Little fingers, little paintbrush, his little feet. He's got a little apron on, and I'm thinking, how cute would it be if he had like a little pair of jeans on or overalls on underneath that apron. But when she created her little mouse, it was a little girl. And I've already made a little girl mouse that I did out of spun cotton. So I decided that I wanted to do a little boy for this little guy. Oh, so cute. Leslie is fairly new at 3D printing, and I have to say, you are doing an amazing job at creating these characters because you're actually sculpting them in the program. And she has shared her program and what she uses, so I am definitely excited about getting in there and seeing if I can sculpt one of my own characters. It's going to be super, super fun, and I'm excited to give it a try. But oh my gosh, one of the first things I noticed was how deep his little ear cavities were. And I love that. Like they're just so deep. You can really get some good detail and some good depth in there. Amazing. It's so good. Oh my goodness, you did such a great job. I love it. I'm so excited for you. I just thank you so much for sharing this little guy with me. It's just great. It's so great. So I'm going to put him right over here for now. I'm super excited. I'm going to have so much fun customizing him. Okay, she also sent me the little accessories that comes with this little mouse character. And it is an easel, an art easel. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. This is just so cute, Leslie. Okay, so we have his little art easel, and I am bringing you guys in for a close-up so that you can have a better look at how cute this little guy is. And this could be a little girl, a little boy, whatever you want to make it. Oh my goodness, I'm going to have so much fun. So much fun bringing this little guy to life. And oh look, she made little stumps. And this one has a little jar with paintbrushes in it. I cannot get over how cute this is. A little tree stump. I love your ideas. Oh, they're so whimsical and so fun. Oh my goodness. And there's another tree stump. And this one just has an empty jar in it. So you can put whatever you would like in it. I think, I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to put in mine. I was going to say maybe some water, but I don't know. And Leslie has thought of everything with this little guy. She made his thumb coming through his little paint palette. So cute. I just noticed that as I'm looking at him. Oh my goodness. This little guy is about 2 inches tall. I don't know if the ones in her kit are 2 inches tall, but this little guy is. Tell me how cute this little guy is, tiny friends. Tell me how cute he is. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm going to show you my spun cotton mouse. I made her for a planned project, and I do have a video if you have not seen how I made her. I will link it in the description box below if you would like to see it. But I want to bring her out to compare her to this little guy. But I promise you, she is not going to steal the spotlight because today, this little guy is the star of our show. Okay, so let me grab my little mouse. And this is the little spun cotton mouse that I made. And I painted her brown because in the story that I'm gonna create, she's brown. But for this little guy, I want to go completely the opposite. He's so gosh darn cute. I'm holding him right now, and he's so stinking cute. I love him so much. Oh my gosh. His little feet, all his little toes. He's got little finger toes. So I just wanted to compare her with him as far as size and height. They're not going to be in the same project. But something about mice characters are so stinking cute, and it always brings me back to like The Secret of Nim. Oh my gosh, I love The Secret of Nim. Right now in my own home, I am at war with our country mice because they keep getting in the house and they're just not fun to have, even though they're oh so cute. I always go right to The Secret of Nim as I'm thinking of these little guys running around, or I always make them little characters and give them little personalities, but it's totally not like that in real life at all. It's just not. The country mice around here know how to survive, and they keep getting the peanut butter off of the traps and not getting caught in the traps. And at first, you know, I started with no-kill traps, so catch and release, and I just did not have the heart to do something like that. But then it got to the point where I was just like, that's it. And we got every trap we could, and we've got multiple traps, and they keep eating the peanut butter off the traps and not getting caught. And so far we've caught like 4 of them, and the other ones are surviving these traps. We tried the sticky traps, which are crap. I thought I was going to outsmart them and thought, yes, I'm going to put peanut butter right in the middle. So when they go for it, they're going to get stuck. But that is not the case. They run with these things and move the trap into another location, and I have to investigate and hunt it down, and then there's no mouse on it. So they literally somehow are getting unstuck, pulling themselves off of these sticky traps and living to survive another day. I'm just like, this is not fun. And before you say get a cat, well, we just cannot get a cat. We have allergies, and we have so many fur babies as it is. We just cannot take in any more fur babies. We have 3 dogs. We have a bird. We just can't do a cat. But this little guy brightens my day. He is oh so fun. I cannot wait to give him life, and I have no idea what I'm going to do with him yet. But you guys have to check out Leslie's channel. If you're not following her, she puts this little guy in the cutest diorama, and you got to see it. I don't even want to tell you what she's doing with this little guy because I want you guys to go watch it and see for yourself. And before I even got to see it, I was totally missing out and had no idea. Make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed to her channel. I'm going to link all of her information in the description box below, her channel, her website, her video to this little guy. Please go watch it. Please subscribe if you're not. And Leslie, thank you so much for sharing this little character with me and just for thinking of me. Thank you so much. I kind of want him to hang out on my workspace with me, but he definitely deserves his own little space. So I'm going to have to come up with some sort of cute little space for him that he can call his own. And that is all I have for you today, tiny friends. So if you've enjoyed this video, please click that like button and give it a thumbs up, and let me know how cute this little guy is in the comments below. Go check out Will and Row Arts and subscribe. As always, I'd like to thank you all for watching. Welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you all so much for all of your support. It truly means the world to me. Thank you, Leslie, for thinking of me. And until next time, tiny friends, I hope you all have a lovely day, and I will see you all on the mini side.